Welcome to the comprehensive video guide on managing the delivery options module, enabling customers to view delivery prices associated with the preferred delivery date of their order. After installing the module, navigate to the Modules and Extensions tabs in the admin area. Locate the Delivery Options module and click Edit for Configuration. In the Settings section, toggle to activate the module. Choose the Shipping Fees tax class from the drop-down list. In the Details section, create and edit delivery titles for clarity. Manage delivery options with plus or bin icons. Influence display order with assigned values. Lower values prioritize the method. Configure delivery prices according to your pricing structure. Once the settings are configured, click Update to confirm your changes. Thank you for choosing the Delivery Options module for enhancing customer convenience.